DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Yeah man gang, so what I do there with the world boss man. You see me and say, drop a new project, I wanna name party with me. So you see me, we go party with the world boss and see what I gotta deal with pan a new project. This is not an album, just a little project that I release. You see me and say, we reacted two songs from it so far. You see me? Yeah, we reacted to Dollar Dollar and AR-15. And Dollar Dollar is the first track. Should we skip Dollar Dollar? Let me see in the chat. If we skip Dollar Dollar, let me see it in the chat. Okay? Or should we take it from top? Now we'll go take it from top. But we already reacted to Dollar Dollar, but we're gonna take the whole project from the top. You see me once again? And vibe out. React to this shit. See where world boss I deal with. You see me? Yeah man, that's what I deal with them, man. All the vibe man, you see me? Vybz Kartel, world boss, the teacher, whatever want to name party with me gang. I jump right night. Yeah man, everything live, you see me? Super chats and everything live, you see me? Hold on, I didn't even translate. Yeah man, we're there with the world boss, Dollar Dollar. Yeah man, Dollar Dollar. Party with me, first track on it, Dollar Dollar. Super chats and everything live, you see me? I say? Yeah man. So big up everybody in the chat. You see me? I say? Yeah man. Big up Father Dark. You see me? Big up Optimus. Big up on yourself. Yeah man, we have vibe. Big up Caribbean Trail and Daily Meds. You see me? I say, yeah, being here waiting. Big up on yourself. Hold on, yeah. I don't know if more. Yeah man, everything live right now. You see me? Yeah. We am like big up everybody now, big up Caribbean Trail, Daily Meds, Father Dark, you see me, Optimus, big up on yourself, you see me, they are all a vibe. So in the chat I'm not gonna see the chat live. Yeah man, I can't see no chat on screen, you see me, I'm not dropping no comments, you see me once again. There, we're jumping now, we're not going to up the vibes much longer, let's see what we are doing. You see me? We're gonna see where we are dealing with. Today we got the world boss. The one project party with me. I jump right now. This first one I fight Dollar Dollar. Let's get it. Hold on, what we have fun. Silent. Come in man. Vibes time, you know.
That talk about. I mean what I for that talk about. Money. Oh I think that man.
Yeah man, you see me and say we there, you know man. Yeah man, vibes time with Dan Mafia. Let me see who all in the building tapping the comments and I get on the shout out. You see me, we there vibe. Listen to you. The world boss, you see me?
Yo, what more?
Dollar.
Yo, Bunda. Money make the earth go round. Money ignite the universe.
That's a fact. Money make your world grow. Money ignite the universe. That's a fact.
Money like a man, the money nothing separate. Every different type of cheddar pocket decorate. 190 pound that should make the record weird. Pay the ticket to the court, me get the letter here.
No man, money. I want to you 190 pound that should make your record weird. Cause we not crash. See me answer.
Reason why you girl no answer, I need up on the call. Violate the killer, them put your picture up on the wall. Umbrella girl love you, that she say when we attack. After
reason why a girl answer because you see me, the Dana call. You see me answer.
Yeah, that she say when we
vex.
After me thumb in her mouth and I drop her off. Pussy feed and
hey, that line, the first time I heard this track, like I said, I reacted to this one and AR-15 already. First time I heard that line, bro, that was crazy, man. Yo, the man say, hombre, a girl love you, you know, dog, that she tell me when she attack, you know. After I was half like that. I chop her off, you know, return her back to setting.
Thumb in her mouth and I
oh my, hola, we're full of that, we're boss different. You see me answer?
the killer, them put your picture up on the wall. Umbrella girl love you, that she say when we attack. After me thumb in her mouth and I drop her off. Pussy feed and oxygen, so I did never rape. Matter
this is another bad blood plea line right there, so.
and I drop her off. Pussy feed and oxygen, so I did never rape. Matter how me choke your girl when you are watching tape. So she love it as a man.
Man say pussy feed for oxygen, so we never rape. No matter you see me a choke a girl when you are watching tape, you see me say
me have to dominate.
That the easier bum.
Matter how me choke your girl when you are watching tape. So she love it as a man, me have to dominate. Make she want me like the Grammy, she nominate. Reason why your girl no answer, I meet up on the call. Violate the killer, them I put your picture up on the wall. Your girl love you, that she say when we attack. After me come in her mouth and I drop
her off. Easy no worry about
it. Make the money, dollar, 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 dollar. Make the money, dollar, 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 dollar. Make the money, dollar, 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 dollar. Make the money,
Yeah man, this is definitely, like I said, this is a playlist song. You see me? This song is a vibe. The man does murder the beat from start to finish, bro. Flow wise, lyrics wise. You see me?
Make the money, dollar, 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 dollar. Make the money, dollar, 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 dollar. Make the money, dollar, 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 dollar. Make the money, love the money like me and the money man.
Come in, man, here, man. No, this is what the second verse.
Daily money can't hold.
You see me, you dog say, come in, man. Listen.
Love the money like me and the money married. Daily money can't hold in my wallet. Weekly money can't hold on a pallet. Monthly money I fi go in my balance.
Money, you remember say a while ago, dog? Yo, stick to the money like me and the money married, brother. Weekly money can't go in our wallet. You know what I'm saying? Daily money can't go in our wallet. Weekly money can't fit on a pallet. Monthly money have to go in the palace. You see me I say? No bank can't touch. Hey.
Me and the money married. Daily money can't hold in my wallet. Weekly money can't hold on a pallet. Monthly money have to go in my balance. Reason why you girl no answer, I meet up on the call. Violate the killer, them I put your picture
up on the wall. Easy no man.
On the wall. Your girl love you, that she say when we attack. After me come in her mouth and I drop her off. Buy a house with my money, I'm a daddy. Big enough for all the family, everybody.
Come in now, man. Big. Hey, yeah, man. Buy a house with my mommy and daddy, man. No, come in now and if you get to your dreams. You see me and say big enough for all everybody. You see me and say
that make them one bad mind.
Come in now, man. Weird. Come here.
After me come in her mouth and I drop her off. Buy a house with my money, I'm a daddy. Big enough for all the family, everybody. That make them one bad mind, daddy. But the army ready for defend it.
You see me? Your auntie always ready for defend the food, you know, dog. And the cheddar, you know. I'm to them. You know, if you say we are laps around there. Come here.
But the army ready for defend it. Reason why you girl no answer, I meet up on the call. Violate the killer, them I put your picture up on the wall. Your girl love you, that she say when we attack. After me come in her mouth and I drop her off. Make the money, dollar, dollar,
dollar. Come in.
Dollar, make the money, dollar, 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 dollar. Make the money, dollar, 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 dollar. Make the money, ready.
Come in, man. Teacher, remind them why my best on the project. You see me? We only hear two tracks on it so far. And the man going crazy. You see me?
Make the money, dollar, 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 dollar. Make the money, dollar, 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 dollar. Make the money, dollar, 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 dollar. Make the money, ready.
Yeah, man, you have to make the cash, man. Money make the world grow and dog. You need it for everything. Come in, man. But now, like, for the first track, you start off the project really strong. I'll start our project strong. Come in now, man. We can't wait for your recite. You see me? Everybody are talking about AR-15 too. You see me? I say? Come in now, man. Teacher, man. Come in now, man. Yeah, man. First track, we dog open up project strong. No joke. You see me? Yeah, man. The teacher, them are showing how it's done. Yeah, man. This is the next track on the project. The one I name Wet. The one that sound like, you see me? This one for the ladies, them. You see me? I say? Yeah, man. No joke. I get it. You see me? This is the second track of Vybz Kartel Party Me. Wet. Let's get it, gang.
Who she? Yes, you. Couldn't be. Then it's who? And me. Are you, boo? You see, pray.
Oh, yeah, I mean, hey, you. Hold on. The start is over. Start it over. Come in.
Who she?
Yeah.
Yes, you. Couldn't be. Then it's who? And me. Are you, boo? You see, pray.
They can't tell no easy, you know. They want that full of style, yeah. The beat a sound sick just like the first one, just like dollar dollar.
She look good, you fuck. Me woulda give her me would fi broke. Low mileage like a new car. That's
Come in now, man. Come in now, man. Come in now, man. Come in now, man. Yeah, that's how you start off a song. Come in now, man. Yeah, man. So for the ladies. Ladies, what are they? Drop in the comments. They want our phone.
She look good, you fuck. Me woulda give her me would fi broke. Low mileage like a new car. That's why you run a friends envy her.
Yeah, man. Facts. Yeah, man. She look good. Yo. Me woulda give her my. You see me? That's no mileage on the on that moment. Hey, walk out. The girl them with no mileage on them thing. Come here, no man.
She look good, you fuck. Me woulda give her me would fi broke. Low mileage like a new car. That's why you run a friends envy her. Shine bright, me little brand new star.
Right girl with the new car. Hey, come here.
No man, can't use her and confuse her. Wind up your waist, make up your face. You set the pace, no fuss, no haste. I don't know how much, but all I know, you pretty so.
Whoa, dog, switch up in. Hey, Mr. Kartel full of flow in a dog. Kartel full of, hey, the man a different man. You see me, ladies, the one have phone, you know, man. The song, dog, I go hard. You know, dog, the rhythm them choice so far. This nigga on point, you already know. Yeah, man, the beat choice so far is crazy.
Wind up your waist, make up your face. You set the pace, no fuss, no haste. I don't know how much, but all I know, you pretty so, and the good as gold. I take you on, I do you slow. I make you wet, I make you moan.
Easy now, mama. You don't know much, you know. But all I know, you're good like, hey. Yeah, man, come in now, man. Yeah, man, come in. Pull up the part there, come in. Come in now, man. Oh, where is that? Yes, sir? Come in.
You set the pace, no fuss, no haste. I don't know how much, but all I know, you pretty so, and the good as gold. I take you on, I do you slow. I make you wet, I make you moan.
Easy now, man. Yeah, man.
Make you wet. Sure. I make you moan, I make you wet, I make you moan, I make you wet, I make you moan, I make you wet. She look tight, oh me know. Watch her knee when she moving slow. Oh she stand up, catch the flow.
One say she look tight, oh me know. Watch her waist, how she moving slow. Mama give the tight pussy. Hey, easy now, man.
Watch her knee when she moving slow. Oh she stand up, catch the flow. Look at her ankles, barely grow. Skinny pum pum, forest glow. Or desert style, camel toe. It no matter which one she have, as long as inside a grab.
Easy now, man. It no matter what she have, you know. You see me? Dog say could a camel toe or, you see me, as long as inside a grab, have you grip, you see me?
Pum pum, forest glow, or desert style, camel toe. It no matter which one she have, as long as inside a grab. I don't know how much, but all I know, you pretty so, and the good as gold. I take you on.
Easy now, mama. Me no know much, you know, but you're pretty so, you're good like gold, mama. Easy now, man.
I do you slow, I make you wet, I make you moan, 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 I make you wet.
Yeah, man, Kartel different, bro. Kartel in a different league, bro. You see me, I say, yeah, man.
She look good, you fuck. Me woulda give her me would fi broke. Low mileage like a new car. That's why you run a friends envy her. Shine bright.
No mileage, mama, like a new car fresh off a lot done. Talk to me, man. Big up on the bum, boy.
The brand new star, no man. Can't use her and confuse her. Wind up your waist, make up your face. You set the pace, no fuss, no haste. I don't know how much, but all I
easy now, man. Mama, all me know, no, man.
I know, you pretty so, and the good as gold. I take you on, I do you slow. I make you wet, I make you moan.
Tune a chop, dog. Let me see in a chat if it tune, if it a chop.
I make you wet, I make you moan, I make you wet, I make you moan, I make you wet, I make you moan, I make you wet.
Hear that, mama? All like moms them, you see me? Yeah man. Yeah man, the girl them I love the one them man. Bad tune. Bumbo cleat. You can add that to your girl's playlist. You see me if you all like thugs them. Yeah man. Yeah man. Yeah man, I'm off to the arsenal, you see me? I need to the ammunition. You see me I say gang. What do you think about that one there? Chat. What do I deal with? Let me see. What do you think about that one there? You see me, the one there's a vibe. Alright, third track with the pan and another one of them tell me what you want. That sound like another girl track, you know. This sound like another one for the ladies, you know. You see me? Yeah man, I'll check out the one now. Jump right now. Yeah man, this is definitely for the ladies them, you see me?
Mama holding on your wall and you a ball. Mirror upon the wall, the favors.
Hold on. You should tell me, you should name, tell me what you want, but dog, that's kind of, yeah, the man now waste no time. Man, I tell like woman them exactly. Why now waste no time? I beat around no bush.
Mama holding on your wall and you a ball. Mirror upon the wall, the favors of them all. Mama will love get tired every day, cholesterol. Mama feel like your nipple titty bar to restaurant, yeah? Perfect. Boom your bumper like a...
Yo, that bad. Perfect. You know, man.
Of them all.
Come on, no man, dog, snap on that shit a while ago, gang. I can't even lie to you.
Mama holding on your wall and you a ball. Mirror upon the wall, the favors of them all. Mama will love get tired every day, cholesterol. Mama feel like your nipple titty bar to restaurant, yeah? Perfect. Boom your bumper like a ball. Mama be your provider, your protector, your medal.
We now going hard on this shit. Come in, man.
Your ex jealous and him see you with your one more. You dash your plan B, cause the baby you fi born. That's what me want.
My ex jealous when he see your mama. I want to you. When you dash with it, you see me? I'm big. Hey, easy now, man. Dog, no easy now. It's a vibe. We got them go crazy for the one. I can't see it in the club. Them got them go shake up. You see me? Why not? You see me? Go crazy, man. I see you got them twerk and wine on themselves.
Your body, your soul, your diamond, your gold. When I left you alone, out in the cold. If you rest assured, say me need you more.
Yeah, more your body and your soul, mama. Bumble, everything. Come here.
Your soul, your diamond.
Your diamond, your goal, yeah.
And your goal, when I left you alone, out in the cold. If you rest assured, say me need you more. They me life support, so on and so forth. You're there with the code, so you know you see. Rolls Royce the rate, pull up at your gear. You're with the great, reciprocate.
Dog snapping on this shit, bro. No cap.
Buy the keys, rotate your wheels.
It's definitely a vibe. This is definitely a vibe tape. You see me? This is definitely a vibe tape.
I want be a baby, no cat. I want be a baby, no trap. Turn it around and move it like that. Tight.
Yeah, man, want be a baby, no cap. You see me, want be a baby, no trap. Hold on, there. Easy.
I want be a baby, no trap. Turn it around and move it like that. Tight and right like only you got. Clean and sexy girl like you that. Will you be my superwoman? Lois Lane is only.
Yeah, man, will you? Yeah, I'm a superman. No, Lois Lane. Yeah.
You man, she can't manage teacher program.
Yeah, man, give me you, man. You see me everything, man. You about tell me what you want. Give me everything.
Who are you? Who are you?
Yeah, man, it's a vibe, man. This definitely, from me and Sister Far, this whole tape are gonna be like a party vibe. You see me? They don't say party with me. You see me? So, but should I expect that? You see me? But yeah, man, definitely a vibe. The whole beat choice and everything so far is going crazy. Man. Yeah, definitely a party vibe. Definitely, I'm not expecting to see no like deep, you see me? Deep type trap songs on this, tracks on this. No, don't really, you know what I'm saying? Might surprise though. You don't know Kartel still already. You see me, the man are versatile. You know? Might have 1 or 2 deep. You see me? Oh, see, I guess this is the official track of the project. Hold on, yeah, I guess this is the official track of the project. What the hell is going on? Yeah, we are Party With Me at this the 4th one. Yeah, we're halfway through this already. You see me? It's a vibe, gang. Let me know if you don't like it. Like up live. You see me? I say, yeah, man. Yeah, this is the 4th track. Party With Me. I jump right in that vibe. Hold on, let's get it. Alright. Hopefully this track snap, guys. You know, this is the track name after the whole project.
Me liquor nice and me weed have a vibes and me just beard me fresh, me feel nice and come out clean.
Yeah. That seems like a nice vibe for real. You see me, the liquor nice. Just beard, roll up a spliff, touch out. Yeah, man, feel good. How you feel like? Come in, man. Yeah, man, you see, you got to the shower, that spliff, roll up. Oh, yeah, I mean.
Me liquor nice and me weed have a vibes and me just beard me fresh, me feel nice and come out clean, come out looking right and everybody enjoy themselves.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, man, that song, yeah, I like that song. I think this definitely go to my playlist. It's my song right here. I don't even hear the song yet. yeah, just on the opening. This is my tune right here. So, you see me, yeah, that I said, the liquor nice and me weed have a vibes and me just beard those fit. Yeah, man, you must feel good, man. Come in, man. Yeah, man, you have to feel good. That's a nice settings right there, right there. So you see me? You ain't not. Come.
Me liquor nice and me weed have a vibes and me just beard me fresh, me feel nice and come out clean, come out looking right and everybody enjoy themselves. Just me, I'm one with you, my baby. You're my boo, you're my best friend.
Easy now, man. Step away, everybody enjoy themselves. Me and baby, my boo, my best friend. Yeah, man, that's a nice setting.
You're my boo, you're my best friend. Me feel safe with you beside me. Me no want to see the night time. Do you agree? Love it when you party with me.
Yeah, this is our vibe. This when you rolling out to the club. Definitely have to play this in the whip. Come in.
When you wind up looking at me eyes, you fall in love 1,000 times. Love it when you party with me, yeah. Tune attack and the girl them a gone and while I cough happy time we turn on and was a beat but me no miss me hard and
you know them, yeah, hey, that's a good vibe, you know. Time I fly dog, and you know me say yard dog, you don't even know say yeah, say bumbo feet, yeah, you don't say half fun.
Tune attack and the girl them a gone and while I cough happy time we turn on and was a beat but me no miss me hard and everybody have full joy themselves. So we throw some liquor on the ground for the daily the party.
Yeah, see me? Some for the charge, the falling soldier.
But me baby and me say forever we live. Will you agree? Love it when you party with me.
Yeah, man, this definitely playlist. This one when you touch it on the ends. You see me? When you're on the ends with the thugs them, you see me on a vibe. Yeah, you can play this. You see me when I touch a guy party. You see me when I roll out, go any event. You're playing this and I whip, man.
When you whine and looking at me eyes, fall in love 1,000 times. Love it when you party with me, yeah.
Yeah, you play this one you're up on the ends. Gyal off the round though. Okay.
Me liquor nice and me weed have a vibes and me just beard me fresh, me feel nice and come out clean.
Yeah, man, the party dog, you should turn the first party and one song by itself. You see? Yeah, man, that could be a song by itself.
Come out looking right and everybody enjoy themselves. Just me, I'm one with you, my baby. You're my boo, you're my best friend. Yeah. Me feel safe with you beside
me. Oh, yeah, man, come in, man.
Me no want to see the night time. Will you agree? Love it when you party with me.
come here.
Me, when you whine and looking at me eyes, fall in love 1,000 times. Love it when you're quiet.
Come in, babes, man. Come in, man.
With me,
Okay, I would have fire feelings operation. Boss himself. Big up yourself. Blood bleed. Easy now, man. FF vibes. Yeah, man. Big up everybody in the chat. You see me answer again. Don't know. Super chat and comments them live. I don't know. Yeah, man. We there all our vibes and I easy with self. You see me? Yeah. Like a late night reaction and review. You see me and say, we on the pan. We drop on the thoughts and comments in the comment section. I don't know what time it is. Drop it in the chat. Yeah, man. Let me know if you listen to the project already. You see me? Drop the comments in the comment section, in the chat. Let me know if you listen to it already. Big up on yourself. You see me, everybody where they enjoy themselves and a vibe with the kid. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. You there easy back. That I 4 track. You see me so far, the whole project is a party vibes. You see me, I say? When your dog say, look, to Gaza. Yeah, man, big up yourself, fire. Yeah, man. But when I say this I 4 track off that was party with me, you see me with on the 5th track right now, hot spot. You see me, so far the whole album is a vibe. I mean, project is a vibe. I jump on the next track.
For those in the market for flavor, modelo.
When I know I go all the vibes. You can see no chat on screen. You see me if you don't drop in the comments. So you see me if you got something to say and don't know. Yeah, man. Hope this song is on my stream, you see me? But yeah, man. I jump on the next track. Then I come in. If you dip on the live, drop a comment, so get a shout out. You see me? We there easy with self, man. Big up Firefield. Yeah, man. Oh, I go on, so big up yourself, Miss G. I said, sorry, they want love the album to Gaza world. You see me? I say, yeah, man. Project sound good so far, man. You see me? You don't know a teacher how to do him thing, man. You don't know Kartel at the bar, you know. You see me? I say, he is the bar, this nigga. You see me? The bar, everybody I try to reach. You see me? I say. But yeah, man. Next track I jump in on still a hot spot. Drop in the comments. We there all our vibes. You see me?
Girl, love how you bubble pan the rhythm. Better say that is a very good fuck I go begin. You a fi winner just so you do your thing. Boom pan the body like you set your pussy pan.
Another girl tune. You see me and say, yeah, man. For the
in a spring. Girl, love how you bubble pan the rhythm. Better say that is a very good fuck I go begin. You a fi winner just so you do your thing. Boom pan.
Yeah, man. So now listen to the tune. If you imagine the girl and dance to this blood clay. Girl are crazy to all this. If you display in a club, you know, all the beat, you know. You see me and the rhythm. You see me and say?
And the body like you set your pussy pan.
Bass go crazy.
In a spring. Back shot. This a no Wi-Fi. This a hot spot. Cock up your body. Your pussy spread like riot.
Yo, a back shot, mama. I know Wi-Fi this, your bumbo clot, a hot spot, this blood clot, I want to you. Yeah, man, this a connect. Come
pan the body like you set your pussy pan a spring. Back shot. This a no Wi-Fi, this a hot spot. Cock up your body, your pussy spread like riot. Belly under pressure like you're the pan diet. Hard fuck, make your can't.
Belly under pressure like you're the pan diet, mama, your bumbo clot. You don't know you buck up in a heart.
Belly under pressure like you're the pan diet. Hard fuck, make you can't keep quiet. Back shot. This a no Wi-Fi, this a hot spot. Cock up your body, your pussy spread like riot. Belly under pressure like you're the pan diet.
Man, easy no money. Easy no money. Listen to tune, no book please. Girl tune this dog. No for the new generation artists need to learn how to make girl tune for the ladies dog. You see me make girl and go crazy. You see me they make play song, you see me I say, yeah man.
Like riot, belly under pressure like you're the pan diet. Hard fuck, make you can't keep quiet. Back shot, arch your back, heart attack. Me balls a slap, water drop. Take the fuck, you want.
Yo, Kartel no easy, no brother. After
can't keep quiet. Back shot, arch your back, heart attack. Me balls a slap, water drop. Take the fuck, you want collapse. Don't run off me, have your fees a lock.
Yeah, man. Dog say bumbo clock. Easy na mama catch heart attack to blood like man say your mama want collapse but don't run off. Me have your visa lock, you know. Hey, that easy.
Collapse. Don't run off, me have your visa lock. Pleasure with the pain, good for your brain. Your body whole clean, you know have a shame. Backers are nothing no girl when I beard. She talk body girl come down go your way.
That's facts. Backers are nothing a girl and that's facts, you know, but you see. Backers are nothing no girl and she talk body.
Have a shame. Backers are nothing no girl when I beard. She talk body girl come down go your way. Backshot. This a no Wi-Fi, this a hotspot. Cock up your body, your pussy spread like riot. Belly under pressure like you're the yacht.
Clean. Easy now, man.
Hard fuck, make you can't keep quiet, back shot. This a no Wi-Fi, this a hotspot. Cock up your body, your pussy spread like riot. Belly under pressure like you're the yacht.
Hear that, ladies? Hear that?
Hard fuck, make you can't keep quiet, back shot. On your knee, our squad for me. Me master key, unlock you free.
Your bumbo hole. Hey, my master key, unlock you free. Your bumbo hole. Easy now, man. Easy now. Lyrics. Some of the nigga don't know what that means. You see me, go look it up. Easy now.
That hard fuck, make you can't keep quiet, back shot. On your knee, our squad for me. Me master key, unlock you free. A twin they come, anyhow you breed. Ya go miss your period, you no need to bleed. Spread your two body jar.
You might say, yo, bumbo queen. When I say 9 months come, twin your breed. You go miss your period, you no need. How deep? This nigga crazy, yo.
They come, anyhow you breed. Ya go miss your period, you no need to bleed. Spread your two body jar like wings. Inna your pussy mark, this a feed the brings. Me start give your money from ever since. Cause the tightest all deserve the nice thing. Backshot.
Bala, I talk now, man. You see me?
This a no Wi-Fi, this a hotspot. Cock up your body, your pussy spread like riot. Belly under pressure like you're the yacht. Hard fuck, make you can't keep quiet, backshot. This a no Wi-Fi, this a hotspot.
Mama, you blow. Yeah, man, you blow.
Cock up your body, your pussy spread like riot. Belly under pressure like you're the yacht. Hard fuck, make you can't keep quiet, backshot. This a no Wi-Fi, this a hotspot. Cock up your body, your pussy spread like riot. Belly under pressure like you're the yacht.
Tune bad.
Fuck me.
Ladies are crazy pan.
You can't keep quiet, backshot. This a no Wi-Fi, this a hotspot.
Easy now, man.
Cock up your body, your pussy spread like riot. Belly under pressure like you're the yacht. Hard fuck, make you can't keep quiet.
Easy now.
Backshot.
Loud. Dog, easy one. Definitely, Kartel was definitely. Can't tell say dog was having fun making this project. You see me, I say? But all this man can make tune like them and I jail them and they dog. You see me? And some other one can make them tune. How are you going? All that looks so. Eh? Yeah, we know, sir. Well, technically no. Hotspot are the one when you come from your mobile device. You see me? The Wi-Fi on there. Yeah, the station there. But you know, I do have wireless home Wi-Fi, so technically, you know. But you know what man mean. FS5, you know what dog mean. Yo. They are all our vibes, man. You see me? You don't know things, man. We have fun. You see me? Yeah, man. Big up everybody in the chat. You see me? Yeah, man. They are easy back, kick back. You can tell the Kartel was definitely having fun making this damn project. No joke. You see me? Yeah, man. Dog, be a fun, hype tune. Yeah, dog, that enjoy himself from the project, man. But yeah, man, gang, we'll jump right now next one. You look like the next one upon the project, our Ignite the World. Ignite the World. This might be, you know, this might actually, because my horror, yeah, one. Hotspot, hotspot. Ignite the World. That one might be a deep track from the song, you know. You know what I say? The whole thing sound like a party vibe, but I expect for hearing like no deep track. This might be the deep track. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, this might be the deep track. Ignite the World. Sound like some inspiration type of vibe. What do you say? Yeah, man, I jump right now. We know all the vibes. Oh, Ignite the World. Okay, I know this track. Okay, never mind. I didn't know the name. Yeah, you see me? Yeah, still inspiration. Can I love it when you...
Baby, you're nice and clean.
It still is an inspiration track. You know much song y'all inspire. You see me?
Baby, on
I think it's a different type of inspirational chat though. I'm so motivated, but you know, yeah.
nice and clean. Baby, you're nice and clean. You girl, make money every day. Bubble for me boo. Money, money ignite the world. Money make my dream come true.
Hey, easy now, man.
Me love it when you wine me, girl. I forget a night with her. Yeah, me love it when you wine me, girl. Girl, swing it round so bring it right back. Addy Jackie, girl, come on my chat.
Yeah, man, mama bring you so bring you right back, man. Mama, yeah, go come here.
Me a give you the steel, so you better buy black. Current in a wall, all that a guy shock them.
And tell me I give you the steel, mama, you better buy black. Yeah, boy. You see me, I'm in that construction. You see me?
Yeah, the Jackie girl come on my chat. Me a give you the steel, so you better buy black. Current in a wall, all that a guy shock them. We connect, satellite drop.
Current in a wall, mama get, hey, easy no?
Volunteer no hero, what a sight that. Bubble like champagne, buckle down top. Yeah, me under a Vybz, 45 pack. Make money every day.
Bubble for me, boy. You don't say that stripper dog attack though. You know, it's a stripper dog attack.
Bubble for me, boo. Money, money ignite the world. Money make my dream come true. Yeah, me love it when you wine me, girl. I forget a night with her.
I forget a night with her. You see me and say, mama look nice.
Yeah, me love it when you wine me, girl. Lay down pan clean sheet. Now if you say thanks, make me see it, please.
Yes.
Yeah, your bumper so big you want 3 G's.
Easy no, easy no, easy no, easy no, easy no, easy no. Lay down pan clean sheet, mama. Now if you say thanks. You see me? Hey, let me see it. Hey.
Yeah, your bumper so big you want 3 G's. And your teeth no yellow like cheesies.
Voila. We start over from the party. That a vibe, man. You see me? It's a pre-release track, but it track still bad, man. You wanna really get
Lay down pan clean sheet. Now if you say thanks, make me see it, please. Yeah, your bumper so big you want 3 G's.
Yeah.
And your teeth no yellow like cheesies. Put your hand on your knee.
Your bumper big, you need 3 jeans, mama. You see me? 3 jeans. I hope the girl fat in there and I tell the girl say she need a triple XL now. Cartel and a Sykes, you know that.
Please, rotate waistline to the degrees. Yeah, you're hot, you're not cold, you're not deep freeze. Tell a boy say you're not give no freebies. You girl, make money every day. Bubble for me boo.
Money? Hey, easy no, man.
Money,
Yeah. You don't know it, you don't know what.
like the world. Money make my dream come true. Let me love it when you wine me, girl. I forget a night with her.
Easy no, man, easy no, man.
Let me love it when you wine me, girl. Nobody can judge you. Nobody can judge you.
Nobody at all, mama. You see me?
Nobody can judge you. Nobody can judge you. Baby, me love you. Baby, me love you.
Oh, you mean, mama?
Baby, me love you. Nobody can judge you. Make money every day. Bubble for me boo. Money ignite the world. Money make my dream come true.
Oh, that's facts. You see me? Money make everybody dream come true. I want to know. You see me?
Let me love it when you wine me, girl. I forget a night with her. Let me love it when you wine me, girl. You got
Money every day.
make money every day. Bubble for me boo. Money ignite the world. Money make my dream come true. Let me love it when you
Wine, easy no.
wine me, girl. I forget a night with her. Let me love it when you wine me, girl.
I hope you know say a stripper dog attack. You don't know that, right? Oh. Kartel is the original stripper whisperer, you know. I'm telling you this, you know. Yeah, man. This nigga was a stripper whisperer before Drake. You see me and say Drake a follow them, man. Yeah. I say, yeah, man, say big up world boss. Yeah, man. A Kartel style Drake come. Tech. You see me? I sing to these strippers, bro. Yeah, man. World boss. Dog, trendsetter, man. That man are different, man. Yeah, man, I don't know. Say next track. I next track will jump. Damn, bro. Oh, no. Okay, I thought it was the last track, man. I say, you done already? We got one more. The one named Pale Blue Dot. I don't know what the one about. Play Blue Dot. Am I Rihanna wine? Oh, okay. Am I missing something? Pale Blue Dot. I hope he ain't talking about. I think he's talking about Pale Blue Dot. I hope he ain't talking about what I think he's talking about. You see me? Because if I that cartel, he's a different. He's a different nigga. Real. Oh. Okay. I think. Alright. Say less. But yeah, man. This is our second to last track. This one for my wife, Miss Shine Bright. Easy enough. Easy enough. Big up yourself. What you say? What you say? Ignite the world is for your wife. Which one? Which one? Ignite the world is for your wife? Or Hotspot? Which one? Hotspot? Hey, easy. Hey, boy. Hey, if it's vibes not easy, you know, man. Where you there? Where you have your comment to blow it clean? I two track play a while ago, you know. So one of them, you know, whichever one, you know. It's this one my favorite. Hotspot your favorite. That's the one after your wife. Ignite the world, like which one? Me need if you know me J. Make you know. Make you know what I go on. Make you know what I go on. See that coming on the screen. Hey dog said this one for my wife. Big up yourself. Big up wifey anyway she there. My next track go up on a Pale Blue Dot. You see me next track, this one's called Pale Blue Dot. We're gonna check it out. So Vybz Kartel 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 with. You see me? You see me? All our vibes. Let's get it, gang. Make sure to hit the like button, you know. You see me? Get the likes up, gang. Which one? Hotspot. Yeah, the easy, you know. FS vibes, you know, easy, you know. Big up wifey, though. You see me? Man has a respect to wifey.
When you wind up your waistline, you're beautiful. Clothes cleaner, hair cleaner, finger do. Me need somebody else, but me love them.
Easy, no. Love tune, that one now. Alright.
Let's be girlfriend and boyfriend, we'll fall in love. Me no want lonely, floating like the Voyager, taking photographs of her.
Okay. We got the boss getting vulnerable on this track. You see me? I say the boss getting vulnerable.
6 billion kilometers, pale blue dot in the universe, pale blue dot in the universe, pale blue dot in the universe.
Yeah, you was talking about the Earth. Okay, yeah, okay.
Pale blue dot in the universe. When you wind up your waistline, me curious. Which part of heaven?
You know, man, we just chill and listen to one. You see me answer.
And you fall to earth. And if we get a daughter, I'll worship her. Let's be girlfriend and boyfriend and rule the world.
Let's be girlfriend and boyfriend and rule the world.
Me no want lonely, floating like the Voyager, taking photographs of Earth. 6 billion kilometers.
Buckley, I don't want to be lonely, floating like the Voyager, taking pictures of the Earth. You say, how much kilometers above the Earth? Alright. What? That's a book, right? Voyager? A movie.
Taking photographs of Earth. 6 billion kilometers. Pale blue dot in the universe. Pale blue dot in the universe. Pale blue dot in the universe. Pale blue dot in the universe.
That's crazy though. I think Earth is the only planet with life in the whole universe. Yeah, that's crazy, you know. Dog, try to say it. You see, you know, lonely like how the earth lonely by itself with no other, yeah?
Your waistline, you're beautiful.
The boy, the nigga is it's called personification, guys. You know what I'm saying? He's making the hurt seem.
Clothes cleaner, hair cleaner, finger do. Me need somebody else for me love journey, girl. Let's be girlfriend and boy.
Yeah, man. Come on, everybody want to find their, you know, you don't know. Everybody want to find their significant other, you know, their soulmate, their life partner, you know, so, you know what I'm saying?
You
don't know what I'm saying? Everybody want to find that, you know, that connection, you know?
Floating like the Voyager, taking photographs of her.
Even the thugs, them. You see me, I say that's the cartel I try to show you. You see me, as much as man go on like my thugs. You see me, dog still have a soft side. You see me, I say, you African, you know? Yeah, man.
6 billion kilometers, pale blue that's in the universe, pale blue that's in the universe, pale blue that's in the universe, pale blue that's in the universe.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you don't know anything said. Cool little bit deeper. You can party, can be a party tune, it can be a little, you know, love song, little, you know, a little more deeper, but still fit with the album. I would say, you know what I'm saying. So, yeah, man. I mean the project. Yeah, man, gang, Bumbuckler, we're there to the last blood play track. And that's how we're down to the last track, man, for the album. You don't know. We actually reacted to that one, actually drop a video. Make sure you go check out that, gang. You see me now, watch this. You see me, this is the full album review and reaction, but make sure you go check out the damn reaction I did to the
Fiber your way.
The reaction I did to the videos. I did dollar by itself and I did AR-15. Go check out those videos too. You see me? Make sure you hit the like button, man. Get me up to get up my likes, man. You know what I'm saying? How they are vibe. What we are watching next? You see me? Last track on the Bumbuckler thing down. But don't worry, later. I'm coming live later again, guys. Well, this one, it's 1 o'clock, so it's next. So I'm going live again later on. You see me? We're gonna vibe, do some reaction to some, you know, other content and stuff like that. So make sure you say look out for my live demo and stuff. You see me? I say I'll still be doing album reactions and dropping reactions and updates and all that stuff. So like, tune in, you already know it's a vibe, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But damn, we'll down to the last track on the project, gang. You see me? AR-15. So you don't know, say the dog chose to end the project strong. Oh guys, also let me know if you want to see me do a full album reaction for Shensia. You see me answer? I don't know how that go. Yeah. But yeah, man, we're there. AR-15. Bumbuckler. AR-15. That's say any project strong. So you don't know what we're gonna do. Yeah, man, we're going off your live strong, man. This is the last one we're do, and we are out of this. You see me? And then we're gonna be live later on. You see me? And look out. I might chop this on tone on the channel for you guys. You already know. So the last one we are deal with AR-15. You don't know, Vybz Kartel, party with me. It was a good project. Solid listen from start to finish. You see me? Yeah, mostly for the girls. This is definitely put this out for go playing at the club. In job 2 for the niggas and 6 for the girls. You see me and say? Yeah, man, you get the girl them 4 wind up song and 1 song. Hey, the man know a club in there, bro. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I give girl them 2 dance tune. Then a bad man tune for the thugs them feel nice. You see, then you give girl them 2 more bomba dance tune for the girl them feel nice. You see, then you give thugs them 1 last tune and then you give girl them a 1 little hug up and wind up tune for Garden Yard. That's no time. But yeah, man, that's the last one. This AR-15. You don't know what time it is. Vybz Kartel, let's get it, gang.
Sammy little and I grow up when me know. Son a boy violate 1 time, dollar kind. Sammy little and I grow up when me know. Son a boy violate 1 time, dollar kind.
Listen, I want to listen to blood clot tune, you know, man. And this is a car gun tune, you know, man. You know, I want to listen to the man deal with nasty up the beat, you know, man. The man The man name up a beat, you know me G. I want to listen to the man name up a beat on the tune. Well, and was somebody else on this beat? Let me know if nobody ever been on this beat before. Cause if somebody else go on this beat, I mean, I tell you, the cartel nyam up the beat, a dog. The man char you up and pit you out like a English, but I tell you, listen, man.
AR-15, silence that them on the target scream. Go pick up a man and them me call Christine. EFX pull up na the rotted skin. You want to me a flinging at the car windscreen.
Man say AR-15, silence there, but the target scream. 30 me a flinging at the car windscreen. Hey, yo, shot stuck up in a vest. I saw the tall clip doing, brother. Come in now, man. Listen now, man. Listen now, man. Come in.
AR-15, silence that them on the target scream. Go pick up a man and them me call Christine. EFX pull up na the rotted skin. You want to me a flinging at the car windscreen.
Oh, please. Easy now. Then what?
Shot it up in a vest, I saw the tall clip to him. Eagle a pick him if he have need sim. Pussy on never body like your darkest stream.
Eagle a pick him all if the heart did same. Pussy you never body in your wildest dreams. Talk truth, hey, talk truth now.
But funny mother did a mix all scheme. And I'm cupcakes and one whipped cream. And what we are do a make brawl insane. Skill like Kartel pan the charges team.
We are bad fan, the mother mix all scheme. You see me, and I'm cup cream. And I'm cupcake I say one whipped cream.
But funny mother did a mix all scheme. And I'm cupcakes and one whipped cream. And what we are do a make brawl insane. Skill like Kartel pan the charges team. AK with the angle we vanish
clean. Then what?
2 clip tape up a can him spleen. Capital in us get warm with steam.
The man say 2 clip tape up a can him spleen, brother. Cha. Easy no man.
Him spleen. Capital in us get warm with steam. The capital in us start melt. Wickedness increase when we lift up the beast. No bumbo clad beast. Wickedness increase like don't
lift up the beast, no peace, no man. You gone too far now, man. You make me have to go dig it up, man. You make me jaw feed. Me not like jaw feed. So once me jaw feed, me have to you come in now, man.
Like wickedness increase, then African soldier no call the police. Wickedness increase when he gun them rise like sun and ties.
Wickedness increase now. I'm telling you. Here we go. The second verse are crazy.
Be a chip block, with Kylie, make the key kick back. Shot on like TV, be a big buck. All who want tape it, fit fi play it back. Me see a little clip.
Oh fuck, he man say be a chip Glock. Recoil easy, make the key kick back. Easy now man.
Like some long ties. Be a chip block, with Kylie, make the key kick back. Shot on like TV, be a big buck. All who want tape it, fit fi play it back. Me see a little clip a show up on TikTok. Never know say you're so sweet, the key did a clap.
Yo, easy now man.
The man funny bike, we drop it up, drop. Not one shot catch him catch heart attack. Nobody.
The man say you see a clip on TikTok, brother. And you know say I saw sweet. Then say I saw sweet the key did a clap, brother. You see all that man drop a dot. Yo, nothing to do the dog, bro. Heart attack the dog, you go chat.
Clip a show up on TikTok, never know say you're
easy now man, bro. Come in, come.
If you play it back, me see a little clip a show up on TikTok. Never know say you're so sweet, the key did a clap. The man funny bike, we drop it up, drop. Not one shot catch him catch heart attack. Nobody now run and watch shot a beat hard. Everybody take out them.
One line no man. Listen no man. The teacher I teach you know. This is class. You see me man drop a little party album and teach you know how to make girl song, how to make a love tune, how to make bad man tune. You see me now one? Huh? Eh? Yeah man. What you say 3 times discipline? What you mean man? For you say it, you know, I know me say it, or you say it, you know. Anything you say no for your feelings. Yeah man, anything you say it goes man. You see me and say me G. You say 100 times for 100 times, you know. That's the thing there, you know. You don't know a code, you know. Yeah man. 100 times play it, you know that.
Not one shot get him, catch heart attack. Nobody now run and watch shot a beat hard. Everybody take out them phone and record.
Nobody now. And people are serious, you know. Serious, that's some people are hard and for real, you know. You see me and say, when you gunshot a beat and turn out there and watch and say, I want to say, I want to go and then
I spam me face dark like.
Pull it up, man.
Say you're so sweet, the kid did a club. The man panny bike, we drop, get up, drop. Not one shot catch him catch heart attack. Nobody now run and watch shot a beat hard. Everybody take out them phone and record. Me mask pa me face dark like he warlord.
I want you, you're a
black staff and no mask, everybody see the dog.
Hey man, say blow, Mr. Paul with a mask like you warlord, brother. You see me blacks now wearing no mask, everybody has see that, brawling murder upon them.
Like you warlord, black staff and no mask, everybody see the dog. Jump on the RR, if it and brass. Six in a unmarked, no make no car pass. Pull up on the cars and no killer.
69 mark, no make no car pass, bro. 16 at the market.
If it and brass. 6 in a unmarked, no make no car
6 in a unmarked, no make no car pass. That's why anything full
pass. Pull up on the gas and no killer no last. Take away we self quick and fast, no blood clot. Wickedness increase when we lift up the beast, no bumbo clad beast.
Then get to a scotch free. Wickedness increase now.
Wickedness increase like down a Ukraine, like down a Middle East. Wickedness increase, then African soldier no call no police. Wickedness increase when you gun them rise like sun out of east.
Easy no man, easy no man.
Wickedness increase when we lift up the beast, no bumbo clad beast.
Easy no man, bro. We have to take it from the top. Take it from the top again.
Wickedness increase like down a Ukraine.
I want to play dollar. I want to play dollar. Dollar, we'll play AR-15 again, but dollar crazy.
Wickedness increase, then African soldier no call no police. Wickedness increase when you gun them rise like sun out of east. Wickedness increase.
Yeah man. Yeah man, we have to play dollar in the dark. You have to have money for fight war in my G. If you have money for fight the war, so enough people say yo AR-15, but yo me say dollar go crazy.
Wickedness increase.
I go play AR-15 again, man. No on yourself, man.
Wickedness increase.
But dollar feel like dollar my tune. Cause man start the one that set the pace for the whole album. I'm like that any AR-15. You see me? I mean know why people say AR-15, you know, because I last track them here. Them listen to the whole album and then I last track that. That's why people say AR-15. Cause when you get a little piece of dollar set the tune and you say bumbo dollar bad. You see me? And then you hear the previous track them follow and then you hear AR-15 is like yo shit. You see me? But show me now, me go listen to dollar you know when I write to AR-15. You see me? So me kinda have a different look on the track them. But more want to listen dollar. Give dollar a try again. But you see me? I go back to AR-15 now. I'm gonna see on honest opinion, which one harder. Remember run a poll too. Blood clean. Run a poll. Why for the poll? I'm gonna run a poll, guys. You see me I say? Yeah. AR-15 or dollar. Favorite track. You see me? AR-15 dollar. I already know what the answer still now. Everybody say AR-15, but I just want to see if there might be an upset. Let's see. Start a local poll. Alright gang, so the poll up, vote. Let me see what I go on. I already kinda have an idea how the blood cleat are going. You see me? But yeah man, when I play dollar again, I have an opinion. We just play AR-15. No dollar, where you are going? Give me an opinion.
I mean what for that but
listen to the bomber opening. You see me? You know say AR-15 a gun tune, so half rip. When it come to the bad vibes, it'll have it. You see me I say? But listen to all dollar put together too. Dollar tough man.
I mean what for that but Money, oh, I think that man.
Money, oh, I think that man. Yeah, favorite subject.
Yo, what man? Yo, Bunda.
Listen to that beat. Come on, bro. Come on, dog.
Money make the earth go round. Money ignite the universe.
Come on, bro. Listen to that beat. There's a reason why this nigga put it first. There is a reason why I put it first. You see me answer?
Money make me and the money nothing separate. Every different type of cheddar pocket decorate. 190 pound the dash you make the record weird. Pay the ticket to the court me get the letter late. Reason why
come on, no money, me and the money nothing separate. Everywhere cheddar stack it. Make it decorate, man. I'm telling you, man.
Come and the money nothing separate. Every different type of cheddar pocket decorate. 190 pound the dash you make the record weird. Pay the ticket to the court me get the letter late.
190 pound the dash me make tell the record wait. You see me? Pay the ticket to the court me get the letter late.
Reason why you girl no answer and me up on the call. Violate the killer them me put your picture up on the wall. Umbrella girl love you that she say when we attack. After me thumb in her mouth and I drop her off. Pussy feed and oxygen so I did never rape. Matter how me choke your girl when you are watching
tape. Easy, not don't catch a heart attack.
she tape. So she love it as a man me have to dominate. Make she want me like the domination nominate. Reason why you girl no answer and me up on the call. Violate the killer them me put your picture up on the wall. Umbrella girl love you that she say when we attack. After me thumb in her mouth and I drop her off.
Come in, man.
The money dollar 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 make the money dollar 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 make the money dollar 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 make the money make the money dollar 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 make the money dollar dollar dollar.
Yeah, man, I'm mind you want him this still, you know. You see me as it.
Make the money dollar 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 make the money Love the money like me and the money married. Daily money can't hold it.
A wallet, no man.
Wallet. Weekly money can't
hold it on a pallet. Come in, man.
hold on a pallet.
Monthly money can't do.
Monthly money I feel going I'm a balance. Reason why you girl no answer and me up on the call. Violate the killer them me put your picture up on the wall. Umbrella girl love you that she say when we attack. After me thumb in her mouth and I drop her off. Fire hustle my money and
easy now, man. Come in now, man.
daddy. Big enough for all the family, everybody. That made them
Jay the best, big up yourself.
one bad mind, daddy. But the army ready for defend it. Reason why you girl no answer and me up on
If you have the money for fight the war, you know. You have to have the money for fight the war, you know. And that me and try to tell you. So you have to secure the dollars first. You see me? You have to secure the dollars first. Jay the best, big up yourself.
Violate the killer them me put your picture up on the wall. Umbrella girl love you that she say when we attack. After me thumb in her mouth and I drop her off. Make the money dollar 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 make the money dollar 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 make the money dollar 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 make the money
Make the come in, no man. Make the money.
Make the money dollar 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 make the money dollar 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 make the money dollar 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 make the money
Make the yeah, buddy, happy blood.
money make the earth go round.
He said no money now, you know.
I mean what I afford that talk about. Money, oh I think that
yeah, man. Oh, I think that man.
Yo, what man?
Yo, Bunda.
Money make the earth go round.
Oh no, know that. Oh no, know that.
Money ignite the universe.
Yeah, money.
Money make me and the money nothing separate. Every different type of cheddar pocket decorate. 190 pound the dash.
Every different type of cheddar pocket
you
decorate.
make the record weird. Pay the ticket to the court me get the letter late. Reason why you girl no answer and
Me up on the car.
me up on the call. Violate the killer them me put your picture up on the wall. Umbrella girl love you that she say when we attack. After me thumb in her mouth and I drop her off. Pussy feed and oxygen so I did never rape. Matter how me choke your girl when you are watching tape. So she love it as
Hush, youth, hush.
some man me have to dominate. Make she want me like the domination nominate. Reason why you girl no answer and me up on the call. Violate the killer them me put your picture up on the wall. Umbrella girl love you that she say when we attack. After me thumb in her mouth and I drop her off. Make the money dollar 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 make the money dollar 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 make the money dollar 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 dollar
Come in, no man.
make the money
Talk truth, no.
make the money dollar 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 make the money dollar 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 make the money dollar 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 make the money ready. Lot of money like me and the money married. Daily money can't hold in my wallet.
Weekly money.
Weekly money can't hold on a pallet. Monthly money I fi go in, I'm a ballast. Reason why you girl no answer, I meet up on the call. Violate the killer, them I put your picture up on the
come in, man. Yeah, man. We turn in on a poster you top family portrait. Be yourself.
wall. Umbrella girl love you that she say when we attack. After me come in her mouth and I drop her off. Fire hustle my money, I'm a daddy. Big enough for all the family, everybody. That make them want bad mind, addy. But they are
ready for defend it. I want to run on.
me ready for defend it. Reason why you girl no answer, I meet up on the call. Violate the killer, them I put your picture up on the wall. Umbrella girl love you that she say when we attack. After me come in her mouth and I drop her off. Make the money dollar 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 dollar. Make the money dollar 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 dollar. Make the money dollar 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 dollar. Make the money make the money dollar 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 dollar. Make the money dollar.
Come in, man. Easy now, man.
Dollar dollar dollar. Make the money dollar 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 dollar. Make the money
Easy now, man. World boss. Yeah, man. World boss, man.
Make the money dollar 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 dollar. Make the money.
Next one we go back to year 50. I don't know why they have for year 50. I don't know. I don't know time.
Make the money make the money dollar 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 dollar. Make the money
Done my for everybody. You see me?
dollar 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 dollar. Make the money dollar 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 dollar. Make the money
Gotta get that cash, bro. Guys, you know why I have to get that cash? Cause when you get that cash, you can't go to war now. You see me, anything up me, you can't defend it now. You see me, you can't fight. You see me? Yeah, man, that's why you have to.
For those in the market.
Oh, these disrespectful motherfuckers right there, they fucked up, man. They fucked up my freaking. You see me, I was gonna transition into that song Smooth as Hell a while ago. You see me, I said, they fuck it up, they fuck up the vibe a while ago. But once you get the money, me G, you see me, gang, once you get that cash, bro. Security, I have ammunition, I have everything. And you see me, medical supply, back up. You see me, on plans and everything, then you can go to war. That's when you can lick them with the AR-15. You see me, I say, yeah, man.
Sammy little and I grow up when me know. Son of boy violate one time.
Dollar kind. Man, I tell her right there, so.
Dollar kind. Sammy little and I grow
I want to pocket change, you know. You see me?
up when me know. Son of boy violate one time. Dollar kind.
I want to give boy money when they violate, when we say dollar kind, you know. Okay.
Dollar kind. Son of boy violate one time. Dollar kind.
Because what? You are going
AR-15, silence that about the target scream. Go pick up a man and them me call Christine. EFX pull up na the rotted skin. Now I touch me a flinging at the car windscreen. Shot it up in a
yeah, man, this go hard, man. I know why you not go crazy over the one now, man. You see me?
silence that about the target scream. Go pick up a man and them me call Christine. EFX pull up na the rotted skin. Now I touch me a flinging at the car windscreen. Shot it up in a vest, I saw the tall clip to him.
Clip. You see me, I touch me a flinging at the car windscreen, me G. Somebody have to get it. You see me?
Car windscreen, shot it up in a vest, I saw the tall clip to him. Eagle up pick him if he have need sim. Pussy on everybody na your darkest stream. But funny man I did a mix all scheme. And I'm cupcakes and one whipped cream. And what we a do a make brawl insane. Skin like Kartel pan the charge is steam. AK with the angle we vanish clean. 2 clip tape over can him spleen. Clap it till he doesn't get warm with
2 clip tape popper can him spleen, brother.
steam. Till the clap it till he doesn't start melt. Wickedness increase when we lift up the beast, no bumbo clad beast. Wickedness increase like down a Ukraine, like down a
police. You see me? Wickedness increase. All innocent targeted blood clad, man. You see me? I say, you never go to war, man. Yeah, man. Casualty of war, man. Yeah, man. Your family, all your family members get
police. Wickedness increase, then African soldier no call the police. Wickedness increase when he gun them rise like sun and ties. Be a chip block, regardless, he make the cake kick back. Shot turn on like TV, be a big back.
man say shot turn on like TV. Be a big back, you know, man. Be a extendos, you know, brother. You see me, I say, okay, I get time.
Be a chip block, Rick Easy make the key kick back. Shut on like TV, be a big back. All who want tape it, fit fi play it back. Me see a little clip a show up on TikTok. Never know say you're so sweet, the key did a clap.
Man say a TikTok, you catch a pre-pan to blood clean. You see me, I say that. I mean, you know, so I say kick sweet. Eh?
The man pony bike we drop, get up drop. Not one shot catch him catch heart attack. Nobody now run and watch shot a beat hard. Everybody take out them phone a record. Me mask pa me face dark like he warlord. Black staff and no mask, everybody see the dark.
Yo, come in, man. Yo, when it comes to storytelling, scenario presenting, cartel, bro. You see me? You man say such shot. Come on, you man say fatty squeeze through grill. Fatty take off weight. When you hear man say that, bro, you know them man will come up with anything. You see me? Come in, man.
If you play it back, me see a little clip a show up on TikTok. Never know say you're so sweet, the key did a clap. The man pony bike we drop, get up drop. Not one shot catch him catch heart attack. Nobody now run and watch shot a beat hard. Everybody take out them phone a record. Me mask pa me face dark like he warlord. Black staff and no mask, everybody
see the dog.
This is the dog, jump on the RR, rev it and brass. Sex in a hand mark, no make no car park.
Jump on a RR and ready to time, brav. 6 in a hand mark, not make no car pass, you know, man.
Pull up on the gas and no kill and last. Take away we self quick and fast, no blood clot.
Pull up on the gas and no kill at that. Take away we self, me G. Scotch free, gone. Do the dirt, we do the work, son. You see me?
Wickedness increase when we lift up the beast, no bumbo clad beast. Wickedness increase like down a Ukraine, like down a Middle East. Wickedness increase, then African soldier no call the police. Wickedness increase when the gun them rise like sun.
Like sun out the east.
Wickedness increase when we lift up the beast, no bumbo clad beast. Wickedness increase like down a Ukraine, like down a Middle East. Wickedness increase, then Africa.
Come in, man, easy, man.
Soldier no call the police. Wickedness increase when the gun them rise like sun out the east. Wickedness increase.
Wickedness increase. The teacher teach you. Teacher teach you. Yeah, man.
Wickedness increase.
Open the 10 class. You see me and say, man, show enough to make tune with passion and blood clean. Lyrics, beat, melody, aggression, all them things there. You see me? Flow and concept. You see me? So I open the attending class, you know. You see me? Real boss. I'm behind jail, man. If I'm behind bars, I'm gonna drop them tune your phone, you know, they're gonna ungrateful swine, you know. You see me and say, you don't deserve them tune, you know. For real, you know. You don't rate the dog, you know. And the man pay every way for enough for you know. You see me and say? Yeah, man. But anyway, you see me, I'm not know anything about that one. You see me, gang? Let me know anything about that one. Drop in the comments. You already know what time it is. But there, with all our vibes, listen to the project. You see me, the project lit. You see me and say, you don't know. And mostly for the ladies, it's a party. It's definitely a party project. Mostly geared to the ladies, but that never forget the thugs them. And the two tune and get the thugs them. You see me? You can't say, yeah, man, this we can't hold out. You see me? This, yeah, man. Yeah, the two tune and drop for the thugs them was satisfactory. You see me? I say, yeah, nigga went crazy. You know, say thugs them, because everybody I say, yo, AR-15. Some people mention that. You see me? I say, so yeah, man, you drop two tune for the dogs them. You see me? One for the bad dog, for the bad man, them and them for the hustler. You see me? I say, yeah. Yeah, man. But anyway. Yeah, man, it's a vibe. Definitely enjoy the project. Let me know what you think in the comment section. You already know what time it is. It's your boy, Chop It Up. Go show the artists some love and support. Make you know some Jambisco dance. You see me? Yeah, man. I'm going to upload this for y'all tomorrow so y'all can watch the video. But yeah, make sure to join the live stream. Check out the live stream. Look out for all the future live stream. Yeah, I'm going to be live talking about like, I'm going to be going live, guys, randomly. Well, not randomly. Different days doing different stuff. One day we might be talking about updates. One day we might doing reactions. One day we might do music reaction. Then that day we might do content reaction. You see me? So look out for that. You see me? Gonna be streaming and going live more often. You see me as a gang. Super chats and super thanks. All them things that is live. So if you want to help your boy or hit your boy up or hit your boy up on Cash App. You already know how time it is. I don't know your boy Jambisco. Till next time. Take care of yourself. Gang. You see me? I've been rocking you for your... Damn, I've been rocking with you for 2 hours, damn. Alright, gang. Here's me. This is in the stream right here. See y'all tomorrow. Go check out the videos that I dropped today. I'm gonna be dropping some more videos tonight. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. You already know what time it is tomorrow. Take care of yourself, guys. Next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
I wanna play my DJ. I wanna rap. Play my blood clot DJ. I'm a shut up selector.